Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Cheryl and today I have a Trunk Club unboxing to share with you guys. So Trunk Club, if you don't already know what it is Nordstrom's subscription styling service. So you can do it monthly, quarterly, or on demand, which is what I've done, and it's been working out really well for me. You are assigned a personal stylist. The fee is $25 per box. However, if you are a Nordstrom card holder, that fee is waived. If you do have to pay the $25, however, the $25 will go toward anything that you purchase from within the box. So what I have been doing is I constantly look at Nordstrom's website, and I have compiled a wish list, like a running wish list. I'm always looking at things, thinking about what new styles are out there that I want to incorporate into my wardrobe. So I'll save it to my wish list, and then once I have maybe 10, 12 items, something like that, I'll go ahead and schedule a box, and then I'll email that wish list to my stylist. Now, she isn't always able to get every single thing that I have on my wish list. However, she does a really good job, and if she can't find the exact thing, she will always look for something similar to send me. So let's just get right into the box. I've already unbagged everything. Everything comes individually bagged. I've already taken everything out of their plastic wrapper and got them ready to. First thing that I have today is a leopard print calf hair clutch by the brand Clare V. And you guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. It has the gold hardware with the labeling on the hardware. It unzips, and then the inside is labeled as well. It's one big compartment, and it's a nice size clutch. This is actually the most expensive thing in this box, but it is absolutely beautiful, and it was $245. So if you're looking for a leopard clutch, there you go. There's a gorgeous one. Absolutely love that. So the next thing that I'm going to show you, I actually had something similar to this, not this exact item, on my wish list, and it's a belt bag. And so she sent me this one in like a blush color. It's like a blush pink. This is the Rebecca Minkoff belt bag. It has gold hardware, gold buckle. It does have the labeling on the back. You open it like so. It comes with its own dust bag. Very nice hardware. Very beautiful. I had actually a leopard belt bag on my wish list, and so she sent me kind of the best of both worlds, I guess, really. This one is actually, they're actually calling this the jean leather belt bag in the color, they're calling this color mink, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Very cute little belt bag. Super trendy right now. So I, in the wintertime, am a huge wearer of boots. I wear oftentimes to work like a knee-high boot. I try to wear things that don't have too terribly high of a heel, because while I am at my desk for the majority of the day, there are points in the day that I do stand and walk, and so I want something that's going to be really comfortable. And so last year, I purchased a pair of brown Fry leather knee-high boots that have like a very low heel, and those have worked out really well for me. And so I wanted to get a nice pair of black leather knee-high boots for work, basically. I do have a pair of black leather knee-high boots, but they're a faux leather. They aren't real leather. And they have kind of seen their better days, and so I was needing to get another pair of knee-high black boots. So she has sent me these Sam Edelman black leather. These are a leather. These are called the penny boot. They do have the little logo on the side. They zip all the way up the back, and then they have this like this little leather flap that folds over and snaps. They kind of sit, I don't know if you can tell, it kind of sits lower on one side than the other. These, you guys, I think these were $149. Out of the box, I have to say that these are the most comfortable pair of boots out of the box that I have ever put on. And I am definitely keeping these. These are an awesome, awesome, comfortable pair of like leather knee-high boots. So, yep, Sam Edelman penny boot. Long sleeve blouse. It has a ruffle detail all the way down on both sleeves. And it has little cutouts in between each little ruffled area. So that's very cute. Can't wait to try that on. Okay, this one is, so they're calling this the ruffle sleeve top in navy. This one is $89. Okay, so the next thing that I have is another little top. It's also in navy. It has a really pretty like floral print on it. It has like a ruffle detail at the sleeves. She sent me this one in a medium, and I think the other navy was also in a medium as well. This one is, they're calling this the Ditsey Ruffled, no, excuse me. They're calling this the Bloomsbury Floral Chiffon Ruffle Blouse. This one is actually $99. So that's very cute. It's very stretchy. It has a very stretchy feel to it. Okay, the next little top, it's also by the brand Cece. It's navy with like a floral print. It has a tie neck. It has ruffles around it, around the neckline. The sleeves are very sheer and have like elastic at the wrists. It's very cute. This one is actually the floral chiffon ruffle blouse. This one is $99. So that's very cute. Can't wait to try that on. Okay, so I also was in terrible need of another black cardigan. I mean, can you really in winter, can you have too many black open front cardigans? I have already a Old Navy one, and I've probably washed it maybe 5 times, and it is really starting to show its wear. So I needed to get another open front black cardigan in a longer length to kind of supplement the poor Old Navy one, because it is definitely getting worn a lot. Okay, so this one, they sent me this. She sent me this. This is by the brand Madewell, and it is like a wool blend. She sent me this in a medium. It's so super soft. It has like the little side splits. It does have front pockets. It is so stretchy and comfy and so very cute. This one, I believe, is, they're calling it, it's the Kent cardigan sweater, and this one is $98. Very cute, very cute. Can't wait to try that. Okay, and this is actually, this is by the brand One State. This little sweater, it's like a fold over. It's like an off the shoulder. I guess you could wear it as a cowl, or off the shoulder, or maybe off one shoulder. And it's kind of a tunic length. It has like the high-low, higher in front, lower in the back, with a little split on the sides. This one is so soft. Oh my goodness. This is, they're calling this the Foldover Shoulder Tunic Top in light heathered gray. This one is $59. So very cute. Yes. So yeah, such a super nice trunk. Very pleased with everything. Not completely sure yet what I am gonna keep and what I'm not gonna keep. So leave me a comment below and let me know what you liked and what you think that I should keep and what I should send back. For the month of November, I'm going to share in every video something that I'm incredibly thankful for. And for today's video, it's this girl. This is Miss Harriet Lucille. She's also known and loved as Lucy, and she won't look at the camera right now. She's absolutely terrified of my lights. So to get her to sit here for this long has honestly been an amazing feat. She is now 3 years old. She came to my family at about 18 months old. We adopted her from another family who was unable to care for her any longer, and she has been such an incredible blessing to my family. She and I go on hikes every morning. We try to do a minimum of a mile, sometimes more if time allows, every day together. And she goes on every single family vacation. She's a very sweet girl, and we are so very thankful to have her in our family, and we love her immensely. So thank you all so much for watching as Lucy makes her escape. If you would consider subscribing to my channel, I'd love it if you would. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day and a very blessed week. And until next time, bye.